Now I've decided to put a small stabilizing piece underneath the bottom of the radiator, and I can cut it and carve it and do it any way I want. And then if I get it where I want to, of course it's all an experiment. I just like playing with the bike. I can take this adhesive right here, spray adhesive, and glue it all together. And 3M makes a really good spray adhesive. So the trick is to get this radiator exactly where I want it. It still has to come up a little bit, maybe half an inch. And I want to prop this piece underneath to get it all where I want it. And then put the cover on it right here. So I'm kind of just taking video of my little journey to do this, and if anyone would like to do something like this, the only major thing you have to worry about is keeping your center lines together, or close, close together, so that you can keep everything underneath the front air. They call it air dam, I think this is called a front air dam, something like that. So I'm gonna keep cutting on this and get it where I want it, and keep putting the air dam back on the bike right here and up to here, and seeing if I can get the radiator to fit squarely in where I want it. And then what I might do, if everything works out okay, is I'll take some square pieces or side pieces and put them here and here, and see if that helps the airflow. It may not, because of the, I just have to, if it just keeps the temperature down good enough. But I want to keep everything underneath the air dam and have it looked really, really professional, not Mickey Mouse. When someone says that your work is Mickey Mouse, it's an extreme insult. It means that you're a retard moron that wants to be a big man on campus, but it's just like the guy in the Too Fly for the White Guy, I'm Too Fly for What Guy video, where the kid's trying way too hard to be a hardcore gangster. That's a really good video too. I'm Too Fly for a White Guy, something like that. Okay, I'll keep working.